what do you see as the yin and the yang now to that yin of the challenges we have to face as an industry to drive forward adoption? What would those challenges be?
Well, I think we've made massive progress. You think of where we were a year ago. So I was at this event last year, and a lot of the conversations about what it might be like, what usage might be like. Now we're seeing real volume go through the platforms. You're seeing from OBIE that it's 200 million API calls this month. So that graph is increasing by sort of 20, 30 million calls a month. So you're seeing the usage go through. So the core capability is there. I think it's now about commercial APIs, or those additional fields that banks could offer. So if they offer date of birth, if they offer address, those type of fields that as a user you've given to a bank and you'd like to be able to access so you can apply for credit, that just makes that proposition build. But equally, if we think about payments, at the moment you can make one-time payments, or you can set up a recurring payment that's a standing order for a fixed fee. You can't do a variable recurring payment. We've tested that with one of the banks and with one of the payments firms, and we've demonstrated it works, and that's actually being used in production today. So that will be a game changer on the payment side, because it unlocks a lot of the payment use cases for subscription economies, and where the kind of things like a mobile phone bill where it's varying every month. Going to variable recurring payments versus direct debit or versus card payments is quite a significant benefit.
So Yapily leading the way there.
Absolutely.